Hey guys. Sorry, I was calling somebody. Do you want to see a new product? Not there yet. What we have in store for you is so awesome. Well, let me just tell you, it's Hummels. Wait, you still don't know what it is? It's Hummels. You still don't know what it is? Wow, you must be some... Alright, one more last time. It's Hummels. You know, let's just show them. Beep. Dynamo Scorchers! Where are the crackers? Where's the yogurt? No! Oh! Why did that have to happen? That was some good yogurt. Yoshi! Shh! I'm on the printer. Don't tell Mario. Yoshi, I'm right here. Oh. Shh! Don't tell Mario. Yoshi, I'm right over here. Oh. Shh! Don't tell Mario. Yoshi, I'm on your back. Oh, come on! And that's why you never give Yoshi Danimals. It's a scientific reason why. Goodbye.